Ma'am, Miss John Vier Williams.
Hello.
Hello, can you turn your camera on for me, please?
Okay.
Ma'am, you don't want an attorney this morning?
No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Vier Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can
you.
hear you now. Something going on with the phone. I'm in the side of a building.
I was about to say it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we got a sovereign citizen who refuses to identify herself or take part in her own trial, and that decision earns her a bench warrant. So let's get into it.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance. Has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee.
You might want to make a special appearance in an adult English class. And just so we're clear, if you don't have a professional license or AP number, you can't make a special appearance for anyone, including yourself.
Next stage is the show cause or capias.
So, as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Yeah, that's not how it works. Your trust isn't the one being charged, you are. And just because you refuse to identify with the all caps name doesn't mean that name doesn't legally refer to you.
So I could bring her in. I didn't really want to argue with her at the front of my docket. I was going to make her wait till the very end. John Vier Williams. Thank you so much. John Vier Williams.
Hello.
Hello. Can you turn your camera on,
Yes.
please?
Yes.
All right.
How you doing?
Now I'm fine. How about yourself? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Vier Sherelle Williams. This is ticket number SP1534898. Count no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay, so now we've reached the end of the first hearing. Some of you may be wondering why Judge Taylor chose to issue a show cause instead of a capias. And a few of you might be wondering what the difference is between the two. So here's the breakdown. A show cause is simply an order requiring someone to return to court and explain why they didn't comply with a previous order. A capias, on the other hand, is an order to take someone into custody and bring them to court. In other words, it's a bench warrant.
So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capias at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Vier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today,
I'm asking you to this matter. Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Vier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capias today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney, in fact.
If you're challenging the English language here, Karen, and I'll give you this, your name is on the charging document. So technically, you're the authorized representative.
I'm asking you to dismiss this case.
I'm not.
If not, I will put a UCC. I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
John Vier Sherelle Williams. Are you present, ma'am? John Vier Williams. Are you present twice? John Vier Sherelle Williams.
To make a special limit appearance
on
the behalf of
Ms. Williams. If you're not going to answer the question she asked, and don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of John Vier Williams, the agent.
No, you listen. She just asked you for your P number. If you don't have one, then you're not an attorney, and you're not making a special appearance for anyone. She's already warned you. If you don't want to follow the rules like an adult, you don't have to, but there are consequences. And those consequences start with a bench warrant.
For the court, I need to have John Vier Sherelle Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this ticket of no insurance.
Created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Vier Sherelle Williams is capious until she appears before my court to answer to the no insurance misdemeanor ticket. Thank you.
And you know, as much as I hate acknowledging the court's jurisdiction, it's still a lot more pleasant than dealing with law enforcement when they come to arrest you. All right, that's the end of the video. Just a short and sweet one where Karen ends up heading to jail over traffic tickets, thanks to her own poor choices. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. But don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my content.